why record only what's happening in front of you? The best 360 cameras let you film everything around you, which makes for incredibly immersive experiences, especially if you're using a VR headset. But the best 360 cameras have another trick: super smooth video. That's because they can identify the horizon and automatically level your video, no matter how bumpy. Try that with a regular action camera and see what happens. And well, here is a list of all the best 360 cameras to buy in 2020. At number 5 position, Garmin VIRB 360. Secure the Garmin VIRB 360 action camera anywhere to capture or stream full 360 degrees video. 2 cameras with wide-angle lenses are contained within the body of the VIRB 360. Unstitched video can be captured in high resolution 5.7K or 5K at 30 frames per second, as well as stitched in camera for a 4K result. 5.7K video is generated by combining the 2880 by 2880 resolution of both camera feeds using the free desktop software. Practically speaking, your audience should always see a sharp image, regardless of where they're looking inside the video sphere. Audio from all directions is recorded using 4 microphones for a complementary spatial audio experience to the spherical video. Number 4, Vuze XR. Capture the full experience and not just a scene with the black, dual capture Vuze XR 3D VR 180 degree 2D 360 degrees 5.7K camera. The camera records H.264 MP for video at resolutions up to 5.7K at 30 frames per second and takes 18 MP photos at up to 5760 by 3260 resolution with an adjustable ISO from 100 to 1600. In-camera stitching can be performed with footage up to 4K at 60 frames per second, while 5.7K stitching is performed with desktop software. The Vuze XR is set up with 2 Sony 12MP CMOS sensors, an Ambarella H2 video processor, and 2 210 degrees Fahrenheit 2.4 fisheye lenses. One lens is set up in 3D VR 180 degree mode and the other is set up in 2D 360 degrees mode. The camera also features 4 48Hz MEMS microphones that record to 4 AAC audio tracks to capture 360 degrees surround sound. Number 3, Insta360 ONE R Twin Edition. Personalize your recordings with this Wi-Fi compatible Insta360 ONE R Twin Edition camera. Two configuration options let you switch between a dual-lens 360-degree recording build or a wide-angle 4K build to suit your needs. This Bluetooth-enabled Insta360 1R Twin Edition camera doesn't require a gimbal, and flow state stabilization enhances low-light performance. The Insta360 1R Twin Edition is one of the key configurations of the modular 1R action camera system. The Twin Edition includes the core module, 4K wide-angle mod, dual lens 360 mod, and the necessary battery base that holds the modules together. The core module, which is the brain, and any other module of your choice, mount side by side on the battery base. The battery base has electronic contacts that connect two modules to work together as one. Also included is a mounting frame with a standard 3-prong action cam mount. The entire setup fits into the frame in a compact form. This way it can be attached to various support accessories, including dedicated ones that were designed specifically for this 1R system. The 1R system is designed to be waterproof without any waterproof housing required. Number 2. Kandao QooCam 8K 360. Record high-quality 360 degrees video with the QooCam 8K 360 camera from Kandao, which can capture up to 8K at 30 frames per second or up to 4K video at 120 frames per second and record at up to 200 megabytes per second in H.265 264 MP4 format. The QooCam 8K features pro-style functions like super slow-motion effects, 6-axis Euro image stabilization, and Super HDR APS-C quality photos. You can also live stream 4K 360 degrees video and share your footage with your viewers. The camera's 1/1.7 CMOS sensor captures 20 MP stills from each of its two lenses and provides high-quality HDR footage at up to 7680 by 3840, 30 frames per second, 10-bit video, and up to 16-bit Super HDR DNG RAW stills. Each camera lens features an f2.0 maximum aperture and a 200 degrees field of view. The camera features multiple quick-switch video modes for different shots and effects, such as Pano mode, super slow motion, live streaming, and sports mode. Photo modes include stills, timed photos, Super HDR, and time-lapse modes. In-camera stitching enables you to view your content via 5 and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi using the downloadable app with your iOS or Android device. Camera control is available via Wi-Fi, or you can use the crisp 2.4-inch color touchscreen display to control the camera, leaving your smartphone for editing and other tasks. The built-in 6-axis Euro image stabilization helps produce smooth, gliding shots. At number 1 position, GoPro Max. Take panoramic photos and videos without actually panning your camera. GoPro Max 360 action camera. Using opposite side lenses, the Max can capture everything that happens in a 360 degrees view in up to 4992 by 2496 resolution video and 5760 by 2880 still photos. Both photos and video are automatically stitched in the camera for editing flexibility and easy sharing. It can also use only one lens to capture traditional GoPro Hero style wide-angle action footage when needed. The Max supports multiple modes for creative video and photos, such as Power Pano mode, which can take 270 degrees still photos without distortion. Time Warp mode allows you to record in standard Hero mode with a variable speed function. You can slow down then speed up your footage in real time with one tap. The Max supports the HEVC video format, which records very small files while preserving image quality, saving you precious space on your SD card. Thank you for watching about top 5 best 360 cameras in 2020. If you want to know about the best deal of these products, we have put a link in the description section below.